Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I would really strongly encourage everybody to watch the evening recap last night. I mean, basically what we talked about was how we came up into this level and we held this double fib area. I extended the rectangle out farther, the one we had drawn last week, and that essentially the bulls had not gotten done what they needed to get done. And while, just as a matter of housekeeping, the swing short that I've had on, I added to it yesterday during the regular session as we went up and tested those highs. I had an average for that 58.5. I have taken 2/3 and a little bit more off of that this morning. I always, when the market's about to do this, I always have a plus 10 cover on for at least a third of my position. So I took some of that at 48.5. I took some more at 42.25 about an hour ago. And so I'm holding about 2/3 of one regular size position with a 58.5 cost basis. And I'm going to let that go now for a little bit. Why? Because the break of 47 is a big deal. What I said last night was if you wanted to long it, I think we were trading 51, 52. I said, fine, but you better understand that if you lose 47, there's really nothing now to prevent a test of 31.5. Is it going to be in a straight line? No. I mean, we just bounced. Let's look at the 5-minute. But we just bounced. I mean, we tried 47, didn't do it. Then we just tried 46. That didn't happen either. But a lot can go on in the regular session. I expect, with this kind of a gap down, I expect there to be some kind of a rally this morning. But as I've said all along, when you were trading below the middle band, sell rallies. This is the sell rally area. This is a sell rally area. And you saw it yesterday. You see it every day. We trade the 67s overnight. Then we come up and trade 67.5. And here come the Kool-Aid, the Kool-Aid drinking permabulls, and they want you to buy those because we're looking for the moon again because the market has, put a couple, like 2.5 days together. It just is not the same kind of day. I illustrated last night, here's the bounce off the 53s over here. 1, 2, 3 big days up to the middle band. What you wanted to see yesterday, you wanted to get this candle right here. You didn't get it. What you got was this little topping tail deal. And then early last night, you'll see on the evening recap, we started to get weakness. And, Europe just said, I don't want it. And they pushed it lower. But I do expect a rally today. The ideal scenario for the bears is for 47 to hold, and then we look for lower prices. If you're a bull and you can get over 47, then you can start looking at, 53 and 58. But as long as we're trading between the green line and the lower Bollinger Band, we're in sell rallies mode. And, we said last week, there's going to be a bounce. The question is, what do the bulls do with the bounce? Does it become a lower high that then turns into lower lows, or do we make another V like we did here? So far, the former is what's happening. We have made a lower high, and we are starting to push down to try to make lower lows. Now, does that happen? I have no idea. I don't know if we're going to make lower lows. I don't know if 1642 is the bottom and we're going to 1800. Anybody that tells you that they do is so completely full of it. Just understand that 47 is a big level, that because we pushed up so high off the lows here, there really isn't much support between 42 and 31. So if you're going to be trying to pick lows in here, trying to pick bottoms and throw contracts on it and go long, you can, but you need to understand what you're doing. You're trying to pick a bottom. Just like, I tell you guys when we're up at highs, you're trying to pick a top. So you better set this. You say to yourself, this is how many handles I'm willing to risk. You stick a line under there, and if you hit it, you get out. Because that's what you're trying to do if you're throwing contracts at this number as we head lower. Okay? Tomorrow afternoon, 4:30, we're doing a webinar. Good chance to talk about levels and pivots and some of the setups we use in the room. I'll also be doing an overview of where I think the market's going to trade into the fall through the end of the year. So please do that. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room, guys. 2-week free trial. We're crushing it. I just took 10 and 16 handles off of pieces of this swing short. So, it's no obligation. And I'm a lousy salesman, but I'm a decent trader. So come check us out. And have a fantastic day. I'll have an evening recap out tonight. I encourage everybody to watch last night's, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with another pre-market webcast. Trade them well, everybody. Have a great day.